Hey guys, this is Study with Scarlett YouTube channel. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Yes, you're right. This is our first video. I'm going to present this video for evolution for both NEET Biology and Class 12 NCRT. You can refer this note, handwritten notes for your both NEET exams and board. This is a very important chapter for both NEET and board exam. Let's get started. First of all, what is evolution? In this chapter, we are going to study how universe is formed. You may think of that how universe is formed. The universe consists of stars, galaxies, clouds, planets, plants, human beings, animal, everything. But there is a question how these are formed. So, study of the life form or history of the life form of Earth is known as evolutionary. So this is about evolutionary biology, that is the study of history of life forms on Earth. Okay. First, the topic about evolution is origin of life. How the life originated. Okay. First, we are going to learn about stellar distance. Stellar distances may be the distance or the distance between the Earth and the stellar object, that is the sun, moon, or the stars. So the stellar distances are measured by light year. This is your first question. And then the age of the universe, it is about 20 billion years old. Remember this, age of universe is about 20 billion years. Next, you may think how the galaxies, stars, clouds are formed. The galaxies are formed of stars and clouds. The cloud is composed of gases plus dust particles. Okay, then the origin of universe. Origin of universe is supported by Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory, it means a big bang or a galaxy. It is from which the universe got originated. Okay, the universe is expanding. See, from this to this, as the universe is expanding, the temperature got decreased. There may be a question, the origin of universe is explained by which theory? You should write Big Bang theory. Okay, then the next conclusion from the Big Bang theory was Earth originated before 4.5 billion years. First of all, age of universe is 20 billion years and age of Earth is 4.5 billion years. We are living in the present day Earth, but the early Earth is composed of no atmosphere. It contained only water, methane, ammonia, carbon dioxide. I repeat, water, methane, ammonia, carbon dioxide. These gases were formed from the molten mass covered from the Earth's surface. Okay, and then the sun, the UV rays from the sun, that is the ultraviolet rays which the sun emits, gets converted. The water is splitting into hydrogen and oxygen. In this hydrogen and oxygen, the hydrogen got escaped and that oxygen combined with ammonia and methane to form water molecule, carbon dioxide and other products. From this equation or from this reaction, we got the formation of famous ozone layer. Formation of ozone layer. You know that the ozone layer acts as an umbrella for the earth and it protects the harmful UV radiation entering the earth. So by this it formed, the ozone layer formed. Okay, then the water vapor in the cloud, it gets precipitated. The water vapor precipitated and it went to the cloud and it felt as rain and it filled all the depression and the holes and it is called as oceans. Oceans, seas, river, lake, everything arose. And then the age of life. Life originated 500 million years after the formation of Earth. Listen this carefully. Earth originated before 4.5 billion years and then life 500 million years after the formation of Earth. Okay, then the theory of spontaneous generation. What is meant by theory of spontaneous generation? It says that the universe was created spontaneously or abruptly, rapidly. Okay. In this theory, the Greek thinkers said that spores are transformed into planets. What is spores? They say that it is a unit of life. Okay, the theory of panspermia supports that. What is panspermia? Life originated from microorganism. Do you think that this vast big life originated from microorganisms? Yes, they do say that Greek thinkers and other scientists of that era and period, they said that it originated from microorganism or spores. And then what is that? A straw, mud, or the decaying and rotting matter from which the life got originated and evolved. Next, Louis Pasteur, he made an experiment and he said that life came from pre-existing life. Pre-existing means that life which already existing life came from the pre-existing life. And then Oparin Haldane theory. Oparin of Russia and Haldane of England. Study their places. Oparin is from Russia and Haldane is from England. They said that they proved the evolution, chemical evolution. Chemical evolution, what they did is, first form of life was from pre-existing non-living organic molecule. They told that the first form of life originated from the non-living organic non-molecules, in which they told that non-living organic molecules are protein, RNA, etc.